Everyone is in pursuit for excellence. We created it. For 60 years, XGMA has demonstrated excellence by professional technology and high quality. For 60 years, XGMA has been leading the construction machinery industry in China. For 60 years, XGMA has established a solid foundation on its way to excellence. On the way to globalization, XGMA never gives up pursuing for success and glory. With the mission to revitalize the nation by industrialization, XGMA has made spectacular achievements on its way to excellence. XGMA always striving for great performance and energy saving. The commitment of XGMA is to offer systematic solutions to customers, serve the users and society, and benefit the human beings. For 60 years, XGMA equipments have been widely used in mining areas, roads, railways, farms, forestry, water conservancy, and other construction sites, both home and abroad. As a member of the global manufacturing and construction team, XGMA is sparing no effort for creating a beautiful environment and a happy life for human beings. In Antarctic and Arctic, XGMA equipments are always confident to meet challenges of different tough working environments with the outstanding performance and professional service system. With outstanding working efficiency, XGMA provides strong power for mining industry. The excellent overall performance proves XGMA capability.
下工机械性能优越，品质可靠，值得信赖。
XGMA machines conquer not only the nature, but also the heart of people by its excellent maneuverability, fast reaction time, high efficiency, and good reliability. Different people have different requirements for construction machines, but XGMA machines have been applauded with good commands and its quality from the customers. XGMA assures you the most reliable quality. Join us. Trust XGMA. To build a better world for human beings in future, XGMA is devoted to energy-saving research. From the birth of China's first CNG, compressed natural gas loader, to the export of green power loader, XGMA is leading the industry in energy saving to a green future. XGMA remains committed to technological innovation and sets up an advanced research and development center. XGMA never gives up pursuing for excellent quality. With an elite management team and the advanced management system, XGMA has greatly improved its efficiency and quality. XGMA spares no effort for offering better products and service to customers, aiming to build a warm and beautiful home for your work and life. Brilliant XGMA shares its excellence with the world. As an excellent leader in innovation, nothing could rekindle XGMA's extinct passion for progress. XGMA will develop rapidly in the future. In the future, XGMA will develop a product chain composed of loader, excavator, small machinery, root machinery, and forklift truck, and expand to other construction machinery, including pile driving machinery and concrete machinery, etc., covering 18 categories of construction machinery. XGMA is managing to set up a global sales and service network, providing excellent products to the world, and warm their heart by offering them the wholehearted service.
下工，下工，下工，下工，下工，下工，下工，下工。
XGMA technology, excellent quality.